Between April 2021 and March 2026, we have £7 million to invest in projects that will provide extra support for customers who need it most. This includes people who are in vulnerable situations, as well as raising awareness of and helping to reduce the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. While we're the gas safety experts, we know we don't have all the answers on how to support people in vulnerable situations. So we want to hear from people working on the front line of support services who better understand the needs of local communities to help us develop targeted and impactful support programmes. Suggestions can be for projects in Wales, South West England or both, but we also want to hear suggestions that could work across the UK that we can tackle with other gas networks. Organisations can suggest projects to deliver alone or with either existing partners or new ones. If you have a project that you think could be suitable, then please get in touch. There is more information and a simple application form on our website at www.utilities.co.uk/VCMA. One of the first projects that is benefiting from VCMA funding is Healthy Homes, Healthy People. This is a collaborative project started a number of years ago, and we are delighted that we can continue, through VCMA funding, delivering great outcomes for people who need it most. Communities are targeted for support through a number of approaches, including the use of specialised mapping tools developed by experts at Cardiff University and through partnerships with local support organisations. These methods help us identify the homes and individuals most in need of extra support. In this way, 3,300 homes have already benefited. If you have a suggestion for a project that you think we could support, please get in touch at www.utilities.co.uk/VCMA.